If you are trying to clear out steam from your bathroom but don't know which fan is actually worth buying, this video will save you a ton of time. Today we are ranking the most talked about bathroom fans from weakest to best, so stick around to see which one truly stands out. The first fan on our list is the most basic of them all, and that's exactly why it takes the bottom spot. It's small, it's simple, and it's really meant for the tiniest bathrooms or powder rooms that just need the bare minimum. If you're looking for something extremely budget-friendly, this is usually the model people stumble across first. Now, the good news is that this fan is compact and very easy to install. It doesn't require fancy tools or complicated steps, and for a small space, the airflow can be just enough to keep things moving. Compared to the others in this lineup, it's definitely the no-frills option. Think of it as the fan you choose when you just need the job done and nothing else. But here's where things fall short. The airflow is on the low side, and the noise level is surprisingly loud for such a small unit. When you compare it to the quieter and more powerful options coming up later in the video, this one can feel a bit outdated. You also don't get any extra features like lighting or adjustable speed. It's as simple as it gets. This fan works best for tiny bathrooms, half baths, or older homes where airflow needs are minimal. If that sounds like your space, this could be a decent choice. Otherwise, the next fan on our list will feel like a big step up. And by the way, you can find links to every product we mentioned today in the description below, all at the best price available. Next up, this fan steps things up a bit from the previous one by adding something people often want: built-in lighting. Right away, this makes it more practical for bathrooms that don't have great lighting or need an easy upgrade. And thanks to its quieter operation, this is already a more comfortable option to live with. In terms of features, the integrated LED light alone makes this more appealing than the earlier fan. It's brighter, more convenient, and the noise level is much lower, which you'll notice every time you turn it on. While it still serves small bathrooms best, it feels more modern and polished. Its main weakness is that the airflow is still on the low side. If your bathroom tends to get steamy after showers, this may not be quite powerful enough compared to the stronger models we'll cover soon. You also don't get adjustable speeds or special features beyond the basic light. This fan is ideal for small bathrooms where quiet operation and built-in lighting matter more than brute power. If that sounds like your setup, you'll appreciate what this fan brings. And while you're here, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Now we're moving into much stronger territory. This fan is noticeably more powerful, and you can feel that difference as soon as you compare it to the earlier models. It's designed for mid-sized bathrooms and brings enough airflow to keep steam under control after hot showers. What makes it stand out is the strong airflow paired with a compact build that fits easily in many ceilings. It's an Energy Star rated fan too, so even though it's more powerful, it still runs efficiently. Among all the single-speed options in this list, it's one of the most balanced in terms of power and practicality. Where it falls short is mostly the noise level. It's not overly loud, but when you compare it to the quieter fans coming up later, it's obvious this one isn't trying to be silent. You also don't get extra features like lighting or multi-speed control. This fan is great for everyday family bathrooms where steam builds up quickly and airflow matters more than extra bells and whistles. It's a solid performer with real strength behind it. Taking the runner-up spot, this fan brings serious airflow to the table. It's actually the most powerful fan in this whole lineup, and you feel that immediately when you compare it to anything before it. This makes it a fantastic option for bathrooms where lingering moisture is a real issue. One of the big advantages here is the combination of high airflow and a quiet noise rating. It also includes an LED light, which is a nice touch if you want to upgrade both ventilation and lighting at once. Compared to the previous models, it stands out as the best mix of strong performance and added functionality. The main drawback is that the light is fixed at one color and you still only get a single speed. It's powerful but not adjustable. Compared to the top fan in our ranking, this one also lacks the advanced motor technology that makes the next model so efficient. This fan is perfect for busy bathrooms where airflow has to be strong and consistent. If you want a bright light and serious performance in one package, this is an excellent pick. And now, the top spot goes to the most versatile and well-rounded fan in this entire list. What makes it the best isn't just one standout feature, but the way all its features work together. It's quiet, efficient, and unlike every other fan here, it lets you choose the airflow that fits your space. Its multi-speed system makes it incredibly flexible. Whether your bathroom is small or medium-sized, you can set the airflow to match, and thanks to its advanced motor, it stays efficient and quiet even when running at higher settings. This is the kind of fan you install and forget about, because it just works that well. The only real downside is that it doesn't include lighting or fancy extras, but when you compare raw performance, noise, and long-term reliability, nothing else in this ranking does the job better. This is the fan you choose when you want long-lasting performance, quiet operation, and the flexibility to match nearly any bathroom setup. If you're looking for the best balance of everything, this is the one. If you want to check out any of the top products from this review, make sure to look in the description below where all the links are ready for you. And if you enjoyed this ranking, remember to like the video and subscribe for more helpful breakdowns just like this.